So, hi guys! Hi guys! Seryosohin na ni Inang ang pagbabawas ng timbang dahil si Inang 40 years old na tayong abusado sa katawan. Magbawas na tayo ng timbang. Siyempre, kailangan natin seryosohin yung pagbabawas ng timbang. Wala kasi akong timbangan, kaya hindi ako ng timbangan para ma-monitor ko din ang aking timbang. So, isipin na natin yung aking family. Bakit parang bukas to?
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right.
Bili ako ng yung exercising mat, yung rubber mat para sa pag-exercise. Ayan naman yun. Ito. May lalagyan din siya. Wow, nice naman. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko may upload to. Yung vlog na ito. Basta inumpisahan ko lang siya. Anong araw ba ngayon? Today is, June 12, 2024. So, abang na lang kayo. Ay, abang. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko talaga ito may upload kung may progress ng aking pagbabawas ng timbang. Yan, bumili ako nitong exercise yoga mat. Ang descriptive to. Kasi masakit pag i-try ko mag-plank. Yan. Yan siya. Di ba siya dumidikit siya sa sahig. Yan, good. Tapos, bumili ako ng timbangan nasa 400 plus to 480 plus. Pero nagpa-discount ako kasi may account ako sa Shein. Tapos araw-araw ako nag-iipon ng points ko doon. Yung binili ko pala is yung sinaunang style, yung ganyan. Ayoko nung digital kasi iniisip ko magastos sa battery. Ganon din, bili ka ng bili ng battery. So, kahit medyo may kamahalan ito na lang kinuha ko. Kasi yung digital is kalahati ng presyo nito. Half price siya. Pero pag kinikwenta mo rin naman kung lagi ka rin bibili ng battery, dito ka na sa yung yung old style na timbangan. Yung ito. So, ayan. So, mamaya mag-video tayo kung ilang kilo na si Inang. Ayan. Tapos, mga damit na pang exercise, o diba? Talagang siseryosohin na ni Inang to kasi bumili talaga siya ng mga starter pack ng pag-exercise. Ito yung yung parang baby bra. Ay, wala siyang foam. Ganyan lang pala talaga siya. Okay na rin yan kasi masikip naman yung dito niya. Tapos, ito, din nato to. Ganon din, bra. Ay, parang itim. Kaya lang mas maliit. Maliit yung style nito. Ito mas malapad. Ayan, kumuha ako ng bedsheet. Ayan. Si Inang yun na maraming arte sa buhay na hindi naman naglata ng arte. Ayan. May mga bedsheet akong kaya lang nagsawa na ako sa itsura niya. So, ayan. Kumuha din ako ng ng leggings na pang yoga. Comfortable ang paggalaw-galaw ni Inang. Ayan, kumuha din ako ng blouse or t-shirt kung tawagin to. Siyempre, hindi naman natin pwede naman ganito ka lang, nakabibibra ka lang na siyempre takpan din natin, nakakaya. Tapos, ito, yung medyas na pang yung, hindi pala parang sapatos siya. Kasi may ipis siya. So, yan, talagang naghahandaan ni Inang ang kanyang weight loss journey. Ano to? Yung lagay. Ayan, kumuha din ako ng dapat. Ang ganda lagay ng toothbrush. Yung pantakit ng toothbrush. Kasi dito sa Taiwan, yung mga toothbrush walang takip. Kaya kumuha ko ng ganito. Dumudugyot kasi yung yung paglaging may takip ako doon kasi lang dumudugyot. Yan, another leggings po. Mumurayta lang ito. Seryosohin na ni Inang ang napaka-stretchy niya. Tapos, ano pa to? Yung isang t-shirt or blouse. T-shirt or blouse? Style na yun. So, ayan. So, lalaban ko muna to. Maliit lang siya. So, talagang mapipilitan ako Pipilitan si Inang ng maliit kasi maliit talaga yung size nito. Pero kasya naman siya, kaya lang masikip. Ayan. So, ito yung gawin natin inspiration. Ayan. Basta para ma-inspired tayo magpabawas ng timbang. Bili tayo ng damit na hindi kasya sa atin. Ganun. Kasya pero masikip. Ganun. So, yan lang po lahat-lahat. Lipit muna natin itong kalat. Ayan. Pakita ko rin mamaya yung timbang ko. Wait. Good morning guys. Today is June 13, ayan. Umpisa na ni Inang mag weight loss journey. Nung mga nakarang araw sa kahapon, naghuhula-hulahop na si Inang. So yan, ayan yung tiyan ni Inang ngayon na parang 6 na buwan. So ito yung babawasin natin. Yung katawan ni Inang. 40 years old na si Inang, sa nasabi ko nga doon sa isang video ko. Kailangan na nating alagaan ng ating kalusugan. Iwas sa sa mga stress. Parang napagdesisyonan ko is planking ang gagawin ko kasi pag yoga kasi parang hindi ko masyadong yung parang masyadong kanan ba. So naisipan ko magpa-planking ako ngayon. Tapos yung pa rin yung hula hoop. So sana tuloy-tuloy yung gagawin ko ito. Sana wag ako tamarin. So
till I got it, I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak quiet. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Grabe siya guys, planking lang siya pero yung buong katawan mo pinagpapawisan.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting. And I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams.
May sinusundan kasi akong planking
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Mga 11 minutes ata so. Tapos may rest time siya. Ang pinakaunang count is 1 to 20. Tapos sunod is 1 to 15. Ayan.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool.
So, ayan. Grabe, no? Planking lang siya, pero yung pawis ko, ayan, no? Oh. Sebo. Oh. Nala yung ano ko, braso ko. So, wala ako ngayon, guys.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.
Sana kayanin ko maghulak ng 30 minutes.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that
Tuloy ko tong paghuhula hoop. So thank you for watching, guys. Sana maano ni Inang masustain yung kanyang pag-weight loss journey. Thank you for watching, guys.
I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I